Hello guys, I will show in this video how to set up animation wallpaper on your desktop. Already I have installed a software. This software download link in the video description. You can download it. This is already installed wallpaper. Click on Discover or click Workshop. Select Wallpaper and see right side screen. If you like, click to subscribe, it will download. Right-click Add to Favorite. Okay, now click on Filter. This is already added favorite wallpaper. Click on Wallpaper. Okay, change desktop screen. Change wallpaper. If you want to remove wallpaper, click on Displays, Remove Wallpaper. Okay, thank you for watching.